Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yaje here with another gardening video. Today's video is gonna be about 10 African vegetables that you can start your garden with. The very first one is gonna be the Bitterleaf plant. This is known as Vernonia amygdalina in Nigeria. Some tribes refer to it as Onugbu, and in Cameroon we also call it Ndole. The bitterleaf plant is extremely low maintenance and suffers from very little pest pressure, tolerates a wide range of temperatures, and does well out here in the diaspora. It is a perennial, which means that it can come back year after year if it doesn't get damaged by frost. I will absolutely recommend that you grow the bitterleaf plant. And number 2 would be the Waterleaf plant, also known as Talinum triangulare. That is the scientific name. This vegetable is so pretty, super easy to grow, and also suffers from very little pest pressure. It is extremely resilient and does well out here in the diaspora in my experience. It loves the heat, and once you have it in your garden, you will probably always have it because the seeds just germinate and they keep volunteering themselves year after year after year. Definitely consider growing the waterleaf. And then number 3, my favorite, fluted pumpkin, also known as ugu, also known as okong, obong. This one is a vine, so if you are growing the okong, obong, make sure you have the ability to let it climb somewhere. Otherwise, it's gonna crawl and take over your garden. But extremely delicious, nutritious vegetable, the fluted pumpkin. Consider growing it. The only drawback is to get the seeds of this vegetable is extremely difficult out here in the diaspora, but it does well. So if you like the fluted pumpkin, consider growing it. Next on my list is ewedu. This is the Nigerian jute leaf. It does well as well out here in the diaspora. The seeds are easy to find. Grow ewedu. And then everybody's favorite, the okra. I think if you're going to grow a garden, you should plant at least 1 or 2 okra seeds back there. It will give you plenty of okra, fresh okra, to cook different types of soups with. Definitely consider growing okra in your garden. Next on my list is the scent leaf. This is the African basil, also known as Ocimum gratissimum. The seeds of this one are also very easy to find. I'm going to put a link in the description box of where you can get some seeds of these vegetables. But the scent leaf loves heat. Just one thing to keep in mind. Next on my list is the njama. That is the garden huckleberry, or Solanum scarbrum. This one is very popular in Cameroon. It is like the spinach, but really not like the spinach. Anyway, it is indigenous to people of the northwest region of Cameroon, where I am originally from. It does well out here in the diaspora. Next on my list is the African spinach. This is Shoko, or Efo Shoko. It is a type of celosia. I absolutely love it and will be growing a lot of it in my garden this year. It did well for me last year. Easy to grow, tolerant to heat. You will absolutely love it. Definitely consider growing some Shoko leaves. Please, if you are enjoying this video, give it a like and leave a comment. Thank you so much. Next on my list is the African garden egg. These are super easy to grow. You don't need too many of them in your garden, and you would have fresh garden eggs to enjoy. Definitely consider including a variety of the garden egg in your backyard. And the last one on my list is hot peppers, and that is because it goes with all of the vegetables that I have already recommended. If you love your food spicy, please consider planting at least 1 pepper plant. You would save yourself a lot of money and you would have flavorful peppers to use for your vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video that thumbs up, comment, and share. Let me know what you are growing. Until next time, guys, you know what you have to do for me, right? Grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you do grow health. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye-bye.